Morning. All right, guys, we're gonna test the wireless blockage system. There's a hashtag going on that Intelligent Ag has got going, and it's called hashtag beat this blockage. If you have a system, an Intelligent Ag wireless blockage system, and you've got a blockage, make sure you do that, post it, and you can win some gloves, I guess. But Tony's gonna have a blockage that he doesn't even know he's gonna have. Let's see how long it takes him to catch it and if he posts about it. Oh, how'd that get in there? All right, let's see how long it takes him to find it. Nothing to see here. We'll also put one down here for him to remember us by. All right, we're out. We've had a great time out here with Fast Ag, and really enjoyed working with these guys, Tony, Warren. You guys know Jesse. We work with him every day, but we just had a great time, and now we're going to be heading out to Welker's. But in the meantime, these guys are going to finish up putting their whole drill together and getting it ready for seeding, probably in a week or two, and we're going to see how it goes. Thanks so much for having us.
Yeah, thanks for coming out.
Yeah.
Thanks for the free system.
Whoa. I don't know about that.
Just kidding.
What would you want up and make it a big fire up and I chopping up the crop. I never want to stop. I must confess I'm a
Forage harvester.
Well, onboard entertainment provided by yours truly, Russell Fall. Hey guys, we are just finishing up leaving from Fast Ag here near Glasgow, Montana. It is now time to take off, and we're gonna go where?
to Welker Farm.
Where's that? Who's that? Oh yeah. We're gonna go to Welker Farms next. All right guys, join us in the adventure. You ready for this, Talia?
Yeah.
Wow, we just strafed them. Whoa, look it. We made it. This is the big bud, Russell. Look it. We're in one of the big buds at Welker Farms. Wow. Isn't this cool?
Yeah.
Look at their new seat that they're working on. All right. Should we go ride one?
Yeah, we're going to go ride one with the roar.
Yeah, let's go. Are you gonna fix their big bud for them? Wow, you fixed that for them?
Yeah.
Good job.
By myself.
Yep.
In 1 minute.
Well, the video sure makes it look like it was 1 minute. This is cool, guys. We get to put our hands on the big bud. Oh yeah, look at the horn. Guys, look, it's even Nick Welker. Wow.
You in here?
Well, he might be coming out of there.
Of course I would. Look at that nice shiny air compressor pump.
So Russell just fixed that for you guys.
Did he really, Russell?
Good job.
Wow. We can get rid of leg arms now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take
Are
his
you
job.
Young bottom, like, you mean Tony came up the...
Yeah.
Look at this doggy.
Is this a girl?
It's a guy.
So,
He's he was born in 2012.
That's when I was born.
Really? He's the
Yeah.
same age.
Yeah, we're the same age.
Yeah. Well, we get to go on a big bud tractor ride right now with the Mandaco land roller.
Yeah, he's gonna be quite a bit bigger than the short hairs.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, he'll be a
Hey buddy. All right, thank you. All right, Talia, hop in. All right.
Oh, this feels nice.
There you go.
How many kids can you fit in a big bud?
Count myself.
Yeah.
7.
Don't forget me. I'll be one.
That's happened though. There's one thing I need you to do. Levi, you need to press that button right there. Push us in.
There we go.
Uh-oh.
What's that?
The horn.
Here we go. Coming out of the way.
That's good.
Okay, Levi, you can let go.
He's a pretty good listener.
Yeah, he is.
Is everybody ready to ride in the big bud? 1, 2, 3, yeah!
Yeah. Oh, I was off. Oh, sorry, I was off.
Yeah, a little
Get lined up in line.
What do you think of this, Russell?
The auto steer. Oh, Dave up his head. Oh, auto steer.
These big buds sometimes they'll get you.
Yeah, I've bumped my head on that wall a number of times. Okay, what's going on?
Talia? Pretty cool.
Yeah.
What's your view look like from the rear window?
Hey, Rosie. Oh, he sits probably here on the floor.
Is it a flattening experience?
Okay, everybody hang on a second. Daddy's gonna shift.
Mr. Rat's dog be on the truck.
Oh, we're going 8 miles an hour.
Whoa!
And my personal space bubble has been intruded. But, and my lunchbox is all gone. But we're having fun. Are we having fun, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? You? 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 Oh, who did that? Who pressed the button? Who pressed the button? You did! We've got Matt Red,
Yes, sir.
from Ready Industries, and they're here hanging out with some kids in the Big Bud. So anyways, I gotta get back to work. Enough kids. It's like we're rolling Play-Doh, right guys? Okay, Play-Doh.
So what's the purpose of rolling this field?
So rolling the field, the primary purpose is to mash all the rocks down, because we live in a rocky area, and combines don't like rocks when you're harvesting. And when this crop that we seeded is, oh,
There's a big rock over there.
get it.
Get it?
Yes,
There it
rolling
is.
time. Boom.
Did you see that bump? I don't see it anymore.
A big rock that'll push about half of its height in the ground.
Okay.
So
We got success.
yes,
Mostly.
So yeah, mash the rocks down to save on the combines, and then second is soiled seed compaction. So compaction's bad, but a little bit of compaction's good. So they say actually it does help germination by rolling the. Actually, you should roll the whole farm, really.
Is this actually your big one?
It is. This is
You
actually our
have
big
two
one.
dual big ones?
We have 3. Well, the third, no, the one isn't a dual. It's only single. Yeah.
Okay. Come on, guys. Talia, you need a hand? Well, the horn is the big attraction on this thing. You guys want to get in the pickup? Hey, Russell.
What?
Scott's fixing your big bud.
Yay!
Hi.
Whoa.
Say if I know how to do
We're gonna see if we can get your tractor fixed. How's that sound? Do you want your tractor fixed?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yes. Well, it's not my tractor. It's Wolf.
Why would you want your tractor fixed? So you can go farm with it?
Yes.
Ooh. That sounds fun.
Can I see?
What I'm doing is I'm drilling inside so I can put a screw in there to try to hold it. And I misplaced that one, didn't I?
Uh-oh. Does she know where it went?
Did you take it? You little stinker. Oh, you think you are so funny.
She's funny. So I think
Oh, she's just sitting there laughing. I'm like,
yep, that's what I need to do. I need to drill these out just slightly bigger. Let's make sure we get the stars on correctly.
Yeah,
That might be wise.
they actually are the other way.
They are. You're right.
You're just testing.
Sure.
We wanted to take it on.
Sure.
We're working on a big bud here.
Yeah, I see that. So, did the screw strip out or something?
Sweetie. Don't build big buds like they used to.
Oh man, this one was under quite a load when it failed.
Did it?
Yeah.
They exceeded the
Oof. It was quite a wreck. We lost the whole axle. Good thing we didn't pop the tires.
Oh yeah, yeah, I can tell. There's definitely some issues there.
Lucky for you, we keep a drawer full of screws.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that. You know what? Only one thing remains. Signature. You gotta sign your work.
No! My signature is underneath the back compartments that you're not going to take apart.
Not only are you a fixer of the big bud, the big bud, but also of the scale model toy of
Just
the
so
big
you know,
bud.
I do not add the oil. That is your job. So if you want this to last, you got to put at least 85, 140 weight in there just to make sure it stays together. But that's your job.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, if that works.
Now all boys everywhere will be sending you their big buds.
Please, no! No!
Yeah.
I only have a handful of screws.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Look at buddy.
did you get picked?
Well, did he? Did he do a good job?
Ooh.
Nice.
Did you get it fixed?
That's pretty cool. We better test it.
Yep, she's working. Now you get to stand the wheel up there.
All right.
Oh, look how much the tires squat down.
Oh man, are you saying I'm heavy? Can you go say thank you to Scott?
Thank you.
Or
You're
should I
very
say leg
welcome,
arms? He's calling you leg arms. Cool.
You need to take that out, put it up against the air drill and hook it up.
Yeah, that's right. Yep, we got an air seeder out there. Let's go hook it up and give it a test.
Whoa!
Do you have 3 wheels on that big butt up there?
Another big bud lives to tell a tale, or lives another day.
Yeah.
Right, see that. What did you do? How did you fix it?
So what are we going to tell you? Get in the plane and go home. But first, we're going to meet some fun before we go home. Now do you can see?
You guys getting a little stage fright?